Start. My joy was boundless. Stop. I had learnt the true practice of law. Stop. I had learnt to find out the better side of human nature and to enter men's hearts. Stop. I realized that the true function of a lawyer was to unite parties riven as under. Stop. The lesson was so indelibly burnt into me that a large part of my time during the 20 years of my practice as a lawyer was occupied in bringing about private compromises of hundreds of cases. Stop. I lost nothing thereby. Stop. The paraphrase is taken from Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography in bracket My Experiment with Truth bracket out stop para. Motivated and inspired, we have also realized that by settling one case in this court, quite a few litigations between the parties and their families before various other courts or forums can also be either closed or settled. Stop. The recent litigation trend in matrimonial disputes indicates that a matrimonial dispute between the parties could generate at least half a dozen cases. Stop. Access to justice shall not be a handle to multiplication of litigations by taking recourse to all possible legal remedies before all available forums. Stop. Easy access to the remedies shall not be permitted to be used as a weapon for harassing the other party. Stop. The attempt and effort should be to avoid a possible litigation. Stop para. But unfortunately, the trend seems to be as to how to multiply the litigation between the parties. Stop. The case we are dealing with is a classic example for the same. Stop. We have also realized that one case settled is 10 cases avoided because in settlement, peace is purchased and both parties part as friends. Stop. Attempt for alternate redressal is hence not only the statutory obligation of the court under section 89 of the Civil Procedure Code, but it is their duty to the public also, since being judicial officers they have the expertise in peacemaking. Stop. Once the parties to litigations are objectively able to realize the strength and weakness of their cases, get a fairly realistic picture of the legal position, and when they also realize that what is morally wrong cannot be legally right, they would normally opt for settlement. In the process, both sides are happy and they rise in the public estimation. Stop. The parties continued their studies and sought employment in different places. Stop. It is in the above mentioned litigation mood of the parties, the petitioner approached this court aggrieved by an order passed by the family court. Stop. Over.